Make grammar and punctuation fun with colorful activities and word games. Colorful activities and word games will motivate children to practice language skills, apply grammar and punctuation rules, and exercise critical thinking. 15 theme-based units include reading selections, colorful practice activities, and a review page. Wordplay activities engage children in practicing and learning grammar and punctuation skills. A language handbook provides a quick reference guide for grammar and punctuation rules. Rule boxes help children remember the language rules practiced. Students will apply the grammar and punctuation skills in creative writing and improve writing skills too. Give your child an academic edge with Skill Sharpeners Grammar and Punctuation. Skill Sharpeners Grammar and Punctuation is available for grades pre-K through 6.